Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, February 20th. Well, one of my favorite phrases in the English language is pitchers and catchers report today. This is a sure sign of spring, and sure enough, 60 degrees is a possibility in parts of the Mid-Atlantic region for the second half of the week. This is not the beginning of spring, however. There are a couple other cold air masses that we have to go through, but nonetheless, this looks like a mild week, and very mild for the second half of the week, with again 60 degrees or even higher across parts of the Mid-Atlantic region Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before a strong cold front comes through and brings in colder air for the weekend. Well, let's take a look at the latest surface map. First of all, the weekend coastal storm has moved off the coast right now. It's pulling away. It did stay south of the Philadelphia region. Philadelphia, New York City received zero snow out of this storm. You had to go all the way down to D.C. and points south of there. There was some pretty heavy snow across central Virginia. Just south of the D.C. area, there was some light snow in places like Culpeper and Fredericksburg and Springfield, but the real heavy snow was down in central Virginia, where 6, 7, or 8 inches were reported all the way across the central part of the state of Virginia and southern part of West Virginia. That all is pulling out right now. Clouds are pulling out as well with that storm. We ought to all get a good amount of sunshine for the latter part of the morning and afternoon. Kind of chilly this morning, and the breeze is still out there, 15, 20 miles per hour or so. But it won't be a bad day at all, rather seasonable this afternoon in terms of temperature. But again, much warmer conditions are coming for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Here's the latest IR satellite loop, and you can see the coastal storm pulling away from the coast. Skies are clearing from west to east across Pennsylvania. In fact, it's clear now in State College. By the way, congratulations again to Penn State for raising over $10 million. Once again, doing a great job for the Thon event that's held yearly. It's amazing what they do year after year. The clouds are pulling out here. It's already clear in State College on down to about Hagerstown, Maryland. Everybody in the big city region along I-95 should see quite a bit of sunshine in just a few hours from later on this morning through the afternoon. And the clear skies will continue for part of the day tomorrow before a weak frontal system approaches. It could cause a shower or two, nothing heavy, but a shower or two later in the day tomorrow and then tomorrow night. Here's the latest radar loop. There's still some echoes here off the East Coast, but that's pulling away. Again, there was a little bit of snow last night just south of D.C. and heavier snow across central part of Virginia. All of this is pulling away. It should stay dry throughout the day today in the I-95 corridor, as well as tonight and well into tomorrow. Again, by the latter part of tomorrow night, there can be a couple of showers around, but nothing on the heavy side. Well, let's take a look at the computer forecast model, the GFS Global Forecast System for the second half of the week, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, and then Friday morning. This is the Wednesday morning map. Still a little cool starting off the day on Wednesday, but notice this flow here following these isobars here out of the southwest towards the northeast. This is where our warmer air mass will develop, and then it'll slowly spread into the north and east. Beginning on Wednesday, we should reach the mid to upper 50s, perhaps even 60 degrees in some parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. For the most part, it should be a dry day. Let's now jump ahead to Thursday morning. By Thursday morning, still a broad southwesterly flow of air from the south-central U.S. into the northeast. There's a frontal system now starting to show up on the maps here. This will move through on later on Friday. That'll end this mild spell that we'll experience Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but still, as of Thursday, we're still well up in the 50s, perhaps 60 degrees plus in some parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. Now let's jump ahead to Friday. Now Friday should still be a mild day, but a strong frontal system is approaching, and there can be some showers, especially on Friday, maybe even later in the day on Thursday. Will still be mild, but then this cold front whips on through by Friday night, early Saturday. A colder air mass, certainly a much colder air mass compared to what we'll experience Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, will move in for the weekend behind this frontal system. But again, the big news this week is be a very mild week, especially Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, where 60 degrees can be reached here in the Mid-Atlantic region. For the SIweather.com, I'm Meteor